Today, we are transforming a humble head of cauliflower into delicious steaks draped in a rich aromatic Indian gravy. Welcome back to my channel. I work a 9 to 5 job and I love creating and trying out new recipes in my free time. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. Start by making a smooth paste using onions, garlic and ginger. Heat some oil in a pan and add this mixture, letting it saute for about 5 to 10 minutes until the raw pungent aroma disappears. Then add in your spices and stir in the tomato paste. And continue to cook until it deepens into a rich red color, which also enhances the depth of flavor. A pinch of salt and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Gently mix in some milk and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. Give it one last stir, remove the pan from the heat and set your gravy aside. Now let's turn our attention to the cauliflower steaks. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous pinch of salt along with a little turmeric. Drop in an entire head of cauliflower and let it cook until it's fork tender. When ready, carefully slice the cauliflower into thick slices. Lightly season each steak with salt, pepper and a drizzle of oil before pan frying them until they acquire a beautiful dark brown or even a slightly charred exterior. Finally, on your plate, spread a generous dollop of our gravy and place the cauliflower steak on top. Garnish with more chopped coriander and enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.